So after talking about correlation, we're going to talk about causation. Causation happens when one variable's change is the direct cause in the change in the other variable. So when one variable causes something else to change. So if you were to compare age and height, for example, typically the older someone gets, the taller they get. Therefore, the age causes a change in height. Some causations are found by first seeing a correlation on a graph. So having said that, just because something is correlated, so when a scatter plot shows a correlation between two variables, even if it's a strong one, it doesn't necessarily have a cause and effect relationship. So just because there's a strong correlation doesn't mean there's necessarily a causation. So a scatter plot can quickly prove that two pieces of data are correlated. So you can quickly see whether it's got a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation. But it takes a lot more than that to show that one caused the other. So companies will spend millions of dollars to prove that, this is just a real good example, that smoking cigarettes causes lung cancer. So it started because they saw that the large number of lung cancer patients were smokers. So just because that correlation was there didn't necessarily mean causation, but it started the research that ended up leading to causation. Also, a different example would be, we talked about there's a positive correlation between the temperature and the number of ice cream cones sold. So as it gets warmer outside, you sell more ice cream. Just because there's a strong positive correlation doesn't mean there's causation, meaning that warm weather is not the reason that people buy ice cream.